Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Now we are going to talk with our bright future, and they are in having a good time. They are playing in their free time. Now I'm coming to you. First of all, here is on my left. Excuse me.
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Rithel.
So Rithel, what do you do? Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Now you're playing.
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
What is your future target?
I want to be a doctor in my future.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now I can come to see on your right side. It is maybe Arij. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is Arij.
Arij, are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
How
And
is?
you?
I'm also fine. How is your family?
My family is also fine.
Good. What class do you read in, Arij?
I read in class 3.
Good. Now you are in free time. You're playing or watching or just visiting.
I'm just visiting.
Visiting. What is your future plan?
My future plan is I want to be a scientist.
Oh, one of the scientists next to you, I can see this is maybe Farhan. Hello, Mister. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you, Farhan?
I'm also fine.
Okay, what class do you read in?
I read in class 3.
Farhan, what are you doing here? Are you playing?
I'm playing.
Okay, you're passing a good time, right?
Right.
Thank you so much. So, Farhan, what is your future target? What is your aim?
I wanna be a CID officer.
Oh my God, CRE officer. So, okay, thank you so much. I'm praying for you. Now I can say, last of all, I think you're Ruhan, right?
Right.
Ruhan, you look very smart.
Thanks.
Yeah. What is your school's name?
My school's name is Ideal Preparatory High School.
Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Miss Shapla.
Oh, I know her. Does she teach well?
Yes.
Okay. So, Ruhan, what is your future target?
I wanna be an astronaut.
And astronauts. Very good. So, you have to study this science, right? So, Ruhan, what are you doing now?
I'm just visiting.
Visiting. Just you're having good time.
Yes.
Okay. What class do you read in? You
I'm
said
in class 5.
five. Okay. So, Ruhan, thank you so much. And I last question for you that what kind of sports do you like most?
Football.
Football. What country do you like support?
I support Portugal.
Portugal, not Argentina, Brazil. Portugal. So you also fond of Mr. Ronaldo, this Portugal. Okay, thank you so much for having this time. Okay. So hello everybody. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Okay, bye.